Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to act now. Start by creating an Ahrefs project and verifying your site. Don't stall. Once connected, link Google Analytics and Search Console to import 30 to 90 days of data so Ahrefs can surface accurate trends. Next, pick your top 3 pages to optimize and choose 5 target keywords for each page. This sets measurable goals. Make sure to enable site crawl scheduling and set a preferred domain so future data is consistent and comparable. Now dig into Keywords Explorer for each target. Review search intent, volume, and keyword difficulty, and study parent topics to find long-term angles. Once done, open Site Explorer for your domain and examine organic keywords and top pages to spot what already performs. Then run a content gap analysis against 3 competitors to reveal keywords they rank for that you don't. Export the overlaps and prioritize by traffic potential. Make sure to filter out branded terms and false positives before moving to content plan. Map each prioritized keyword to the most relevant page and then optimize, update meta titles, H1s, and content depth with semantic terms and internal links. Once updated, set up Rank Tracker for those keywords and enable weekly position history so you can see movement over time. Monitor backlinks and anchors for sudden losses. If you see ranking drops, recrawl affected pages in Ahrefs, verify redirects and indexation, and check for lost SERP features. That troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.